Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we are back down at the shop, going to continue to work on the MG on the driver's side. We're going to try and get the rocker installed, the patch panel done, everything gapped and looking good. So it's ready for tomorrow morning when the owner of the car comes down to look at everything and just kind of check in on progress. So pretty excited about today, and we're going to head in now. another successful day in the books. Made some good progress on the MG today. I'm pretty happy with it. You know, this is one of those processes that seems to take forever, but you know, it's really about all the little successes and, you know, in the details. I mean, you know, yes, it takes time, but it's worth taking the time to make it look right, make the panels fit good, and I'm just excited about it. So being able to get that bottom rocker on, the new panel shaped and in place as far as the new outer rocker panel is concerned, you know, cutting a new patch panel for the rear fender, I'm pretty happy with, you know, the progress that I made today on the car. And tomorrow is going to be another one of those days where, you know, getting to move a little bit further forward. I know the owner's coming in the morning, so I'm pretty excited to see what he thinks about the progress. I know from here, if I don't stay on the MG for the rest of the week, or I could stay on the MG for the rest of the week, I know we're going to go to the D100. We've got a Dodge that's getting a Cummins swap in it, and I'm going to get to fabricate, you know, floor pans, transmission tunnel, and firewall on that. So that should be a ton of fun. I can't wait to show that to you guys. I'm not sure when that one's going to begin, but for now I'm going to keep rocking on the MG. Again, guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos. It really means a lot to me. If you enjoy them, please hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you next time.